People wanting to get the COVID antibody testing can do it without getting out of their car. Dozens of tests are being done daily at the Access Solutions Medical Group, and the results take about 20 minutes. News on 6's Mallory Thomas explains how it works.
You'll have to make an appointment and pay $75 for the antibody test. Doctors say that the test is specific for the COVID-19 virus and say it could help determine if you're immune or not. It looks like a piece of plastic with a few letters on it, but those letters contain a lot of information for healthcare officials.
It looks like a pregnancy test, really. And you put that in there with some solution, and then it can tell us if those antibodies are present.
Access Solutions Medical Group Dr. Gary Lee says just a drop of blood in the antibody tests is more accurate than the COVID swab tests and provide more information.
So if someone has developed the IgG antibody, they probably are further along in the course of illness or recovery, we hope recovery, and if that's the only antibody present, that may indicate now that they're past the illness.
He says the test could help determine if a person who tested positive for the virus can stop self-quarantine if they no longer have symptoms.
But we can use all those things together to say maybe it's safe for you to go back out to the general public quarantine instead of the very strict quarantine of someone who's fighting off COVID.
He says there are some questions the tests cannot answer.
If we got the illness, are we protected for a lifetime, or are we protected for 3 months? We don't know. That's information that will come out as time goes on.
Lee says it is possible for someone to test positive for COVID-19 and not build up any antibodies or become immune to the virus. In Tulsa, Mallory Thomas, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.